Sir, you are from Bangladesh and
Yes.
now you know sir, how the atrocities are going and how you are fighting.
Yes, I am from Bangladesh. I am a lawyer of the Supreme Court of Bangladesh and also a human rights defender. I work for the protection of the rights of Bangladeshi Hindus there in Bangladesh. And during our investigation, we have documented so many cases against the perpetrator of crime against humanity. And during conducting case of Chinmoy Krishna Brahmachari Prabhu in Bangladesh, I have been assaulted by some people. In spite of that, we are working there for the protection of the rights of the Bangladeshi minorities. That is Hindus, Buddhists and Christian also. We are fighting for them. And we have come here to participate this Mahotsav. Mahotsav is very excellent. And I understand that this is the highest Mahotsav and very important Mahotsav I ever saw in my life. That is a very good Mahotsav organized by Sanatan Rashtra Goa.
Sir, what you are expecting from the Indian government? How are you going to tackle the Bangladesh issue?
We are repeatedly giving news of repression, atrocities against minorities several times. Since long I am working for the protection of the rights of the minorities. But Government of India has not taken any step, particularly they should come forward for the protection of the rights of minority Hindus of Bangladesh. It is my desire. So I hope this time the Government of India will take necessary steps for the protection of the rights of Bangladeshi minority Hindus. So still atrocities are going on. Recently, when I was in a position in Chittagona court, that is Chittagona court, then I was conducting the case of Chinmoy Krishna Prabhu Brahmachari. Then I was also assaulted by some lawyers. That is very unfortunate. I am a senior lawyer of the Supreme Court of Bangladesh. In spite of that, I have been heckled by some junior lawyers at Chittagona Court, Bangladesh. Situation is going to be worse after 5th of August 2024. Because of the fact that Sheikh Hasina, the then Prime Minister of Bangladesh, came to New Delhi due to atrocities also. So the Hindus are in great difficulty there since long. And we are trying our best to give legal assistance to the victims of repression, atrocities.
Now, where you are staying?
I am staying.
Yeah, right.
I am staying in Bangladesh and fighting for the cause of Hindu minorities. And there, still we are fighting and fighting, but it is unfortunate that nobody has come forward for the protection of the rights of the Hindus there. It is very unexpected. So we are also going to United Nations for their protection. And we have decided to file case against the perpetrator of crime against humanity in Bangladesh.
Sir, what about other minorities like Christian, Buddhism?
Their position is also same. Buddhist, Christian, Adivasi, they are also minorities. They are in great problem. So we must come forward for their protection also. Due to atrocities, the ethnic cleansing is going on. The percentage of Hindu population has been going to be dwindled. And now 8% is going on. So at the time of liberation in the year 1971, there was a struggle. At that time, the percentage of Hindu population was 15% at that time. But it is going to be decreased day by day. So we are very unhappy. We seek immediate action against the perpetrator of crime against humanity. And we are also appealing to the government of Bangladesh to protect Hindus of Bangladesh immediately. Otherwise, there would be an ethnic cleansing in course of time.